Hey everyone, Jordan here with Hunter Orange to talk to you about how to properly assemble and use your dove rack. We're going to start with the top pole. Notice it's got 4 buttons here. There's also a plastic cap on the top. That's going to be the top side of this pole. We're going to start with the solid black plate, dropping it over that plastic cap, clicking it down to the second button. Then we'll use the top plate that's got the square and the circle cut out of it, dropping it down above that, followed by the orange plate up the bottom. There. The middle pole, there's no specific orientation for it. Just snap it on, followed by the bottom pole into its position. Now, if I'm on hunting on a bucket or a stool, I'm going to probably want to drop this to its lowest position. Gives it most rigidity and a little bit easier to manage while on a bucket or stool. However, if you're in a taller stool or chair, you can always pop it up 1 notch, or if you're standing, pop it all the way up. This middle rack, it's set for a 30-ounce Yeti and up to a 12 gauge 2 3/4 shell box. But if you're using 410, you can always bump this middle plate up 1, and that'll accommodate your 410 shell box. Follow us on social media. We'll be coming out with a bunch of different accessories, such as a swap out bottom plate for duck hunting. No, it won't be orange. Also gun rest. So a bunch of exciting things to come. Look forward to sharing those with you in the future.